So this is Lambo Mabulo or Progressive Mabulo from Barangay Mabulo. So para yung theme nila is poverty. So they always start with a little drama just to introduce the concept of their presentation. And here is their Sinulog Queen. That's a very good props they presented there. Nice use of colors too. Yellow. Oh, that headdress is spectacular. That really wowed the people. As you can see, you can hear people shouts when that headdress starts moving. Okay, so maganda yung props nila, the usage of props, yung color combination, red, green, and yellow. Maganda. So yan yung sinasabi ko na they have to make use of the props to add surprises and what is this? All on their presentation. Kagandahan ng kanilang presentation. Beautiful colors. And that, you know, that roses, the flowers, the props really is executed very well. Although, I think they have to work on polishing more on their steps and dances kasi parang hindi masyadong synchronous at pulido yung kanilang pagsasayaw. But the props really add so much of spectacular in their presentation. The colors, the usage of colors, they are just over the top. Very nice. So by the way, Lambo Mabulo is the winner for the Sinulog sa Dakbayan. That is beautiful. The movement of props, the usage of color, it's genius. Very nice. That's what I was talking about. You have to make use the props to make the presentation wonderful, which they do. Their props designers, genius. Ang ganda. Look at that. They fill the entire stage with beautiful props. Wow, nice. So maganda talaga yung yellow and red together. Here we go. Flags. Flags really add spectacular in the presentation. Wow, napuno nila yung stage. Those images of Señor Santo Niño, They are very effective. They are so beautiful. Napuno nila yung stage with beautiful props. Wow, ang gaganda ng kanilang presentation on stage, especially with their props. Yun yung plus factor nila. Not with the dances, but the props. It's winning.